Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to bling out your bottle, whether you're doing a wine bottle, a tequila bottle, a vodka bottle, or even a sparkling cider like I am using right here, because not everybody drinks, but everybody wants to have a beautiful blinged out bottle. So yes, I am going to be using Mod Podge, the matte type, and then I have this brush that came with a huge set of brushes that was only $5 at Michael's. So I am using this brush because it is big enough for only one type of glitter. That is what I'm doing here, just one type of glitter all around. And it has a very fine tip at the end to go in those little parts where I want a really nice defined line. So as you can see there, I did a section, working by sections, guys, because whether it is a small bottle like this or a large one, you don't want your Mod Podge to dry on you and then the glitter is not going to stick. So I suggest working by sections, placing a nice thin coat and then going in with your glitter. So as you can see here, I am working on my second section and I am placing the Mod Podge all around that section, making sure my coat is evenly spread out. I am going into those little edges of the labels, making sure everything is going to have full coverage. This is the first coat, guys, so yes, you do want it to be pretty good, but don't worry if you miss some spots. We are still going to do another coat. Do let between coats the Mod Podge dry and the glitter for about 20 to 30 minutes depending on the instructions on your Mod Podge bottle. So, if you do mess up and some Mod Podge goes on your labels, get a little Q-tip and wipe it down before it dries. After that, go in with your glitter and coat it evenly. Dust it off. I do have this little dust brush, which I love to use so I can take off that excess amount of glitter that is on the labels. I do not go over the Mod Podge and the glitter because it is still wet, it is not dry, and you don't want to take off that, glitter in the Mod Podge. So there you go, I coated the whole bottle. First coat, I'm going to put this glitter away and let that dry. So it has been about 30 minutes. The first coat is dry. So now I'm going to go in with my second coat. So this one I am going to be more careful, making sure I fill in as much as I can on those little edges at the ends of the bottle and the labels. So this one I am actually going to go with the whole bottle, and then I'm going to cover it with the glitter. Like I said, this is super easy when it is just one type of glitter. It should not take you that long. I mean, the only timing is in between coats, the drying, and that is what takes a little bit of time. But overall, when you are placing the Mod Podge and adding glitter, it should be super easy and quick. So as you can see there, I am finishing up the second coat of Mod Podge, making sure everything is nice and neat, cleaning off the excess Mod Podge with a clean Q-tip, and then going in with the glitter. I'm going to dust off the excess amount of glitter. As you can see there, it's falling on a piece of paper. Yes, I placed a clean sheet of paper so it could catch all that excess amount of glitter, and I could use it and save it and put it back into my glitter bottle. So, quick review, I am using Mod Podge. I placed the first coat with glitter and Mod Podge. I let that dry for about 30 minutes. I am now placing the second coat, letting that dry for 30 minutes. Now that this is dry, I'm going to go over with a final coat of Mod Podge to make sure all that glitter is secure and sealed, making sure every little edge close to the labels and to the bottom of the bottle is fully coated, and I'm gonna let that dry. So total 2 coats of Mod Podge and glitter and a final coat of Mod Podge to finish off and seal off the glitter for the whole entire bottle. So once you are done using your brush and your Mod Podge, making sure everything is nicely covered. Do make sure you do wash your brush with some dish soap and some water, because you do want to make sure that it is ready for you to use it next time, so you don't have to throw it away. Double check everything is nicely covered. Let that dry until it is completely dry. You don't see any more white. And then this is your final result. I told you guys this was a super easy and quick tutorial. If you want to make a bottle for your girlfriend or for New Year's, you know, anything special like that, your sisters, or you know, anybody. Once it is dry, do dust off all that glitter that it was left on the labels around the whole bottle. And there you go, you are done. This was super easy and super quick, guys. I love how this bottle came out. I hope you guys do too. I told you guys this does apply and will work on any other glass bottle you have, whether it's wine, tequila, you know, anything. So there you go, super quick, guys, and super cute. As you can see, no glitter is falling off on my hands, so it's ready for New Year's, guys. So like always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned a little something. Now you know how to bling out your bottles with some glitter. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.